Rhea Chakravarti's call records, her message records have all been retrieved by the officials, and there has been a very interesting message coming from Sushant Singh's father to Rhea Chakravarti back in November 2019, and this message is quite telling. In those messages that have been exclusively accessed by India Today, Sushant Singh's father is seen very desperate trying to reach out to his son, messaging Rhea Chakravarti, asking her about his son's well-being. Sushant Singh's father in that message sounds very worried, he sounds very concerned, and remember, this message is back in 2019 November itself, where Sushant Singh is sending out a message to Rhea Chakravarti. I'm going to read it out for you. Here is what Sushant Singh's father says in the message, and I quote, "When you know that I am Sushant's father, why did you not speak to me? After all, what is the matter? If you are his friend and if you care for him, so am I his father. I also need to know about his well-being and his health. Call me and give me the information, all that I need to know about Sushant." The tone of that message that was sent by Sushant Singh's father to Rhea Chakravarti sounds so worried. He sounds tense in that message, and he sounds angry. He sounds angry that Rhea Chakravarti may not be giving him the right information about Sushant. It's quite evident that Sushant's father wasn't able to reach out to Sushant. It was evident that they weren't talking at all, which is why he reached out to Rhea Chakravarti to get in touch and know about what's happening with Sushant really. Now, this message raises a lot of questions. According to that message, Sushant Singh's father is asking Rhea, why isn't she giving any information to him about Sushant's well-being? Now the question is, why was Rhea Chakravarti not giving information to Sushant Singh's father if he was really unwell as she claimed? While the officials have managed to retrieve the message that was sent from Sushant's father to Rhea Chakravarti, a response from Rhea to Sushant has not been retrieved as yet. It was not just Rhea Chakravarti that Sushant's father reached out to. He was so desperate to know about the well-being of his son, he then reached out to Sushant's former business manager, Shruti Modi, who right now the Enforcement Directorate is currently interrogating. In fact, he reached out to Shruti asking her about how Sushant is doing, telling her that he's really worried about his son, and also asked Shruti Modi to book his tickets because he wanted to rush to Mumbai, considering he was really bothered and worried about what was happening with Sushant. In that message to Shruti Modi, Sushant's father has written, and I quote, "I know you look after Sushant's work and him. I wanted to talk to you about Sushant's present condition. I spoke to Sushant yesterday. He said that he is very worried. Just imagine how worried I am now. That's why I just wanted to talk to you. But you're not talking to me. That's why I wanted to come to Mumbai. Send me the flight tickets." This is Sushant Singh's father's assertive message that has gone out to Shruti Modi as well back in November 2019, when Sushant's father and family members clearly were trying desperately to reach out to their son. Again, Sushant Singh's father's message to Shruti Modi has been procured, but Shruti's response to his father is not yet retrieved. Nonetheless, the Enforcement Directorate is trying to probe every angle of it. Of course, while Shruti Modi was interrogated, she's come out with some details about the equations that Rhea Chakravarti and Sushant Singh shared. Shruti Modi claims that the last she spoke to Sushant was in February 2020. Shruti has categorically told to the Enforcement Directorate officials that ever since Rhea came into Sushant's life, she's been taking all the calls. She's been deciding for him. In fact, she's also narrated instances when Rhea Chakravarti has made the decision for Sushant Singh. She's also said that mostly all of the financial decisions was made by Rhea Chakravarti, and even pertaining to projects, business projects that they had together, Rhea was more or less calling the shots. Now, while the Enforcement Directorate has confiscated the phones of Rhea and her family members, all the data over the last 1 year is now being downloaded, and if there's any deletion, anything that's been deleted from those phones, it can be retrieved. Now, while all that's said and done, the Enforcement Directorate hasn't found any substantial evidence yet against Rhea Chakravarti. Internal sources have mentioned that in Sushant's fixed deposit, there was about 4.5 crore rupees, in which now it's cut short to 2 crore rupees. So about 2.5 crore was allegedly siphoned off by Rhea along with some chartered accountants. But this claim has been quashed by Sushant Singh Rajput's chartered accountant there. Sandeep Sridhar, Sushant's CA, has said that 2.78 crores was paid off as GST and income tax for Sushant, and that there was no really major substantial amount of a transaction that was made from Sushant to Rhea's account there. But of course, all these claims and statements will be thoroughly investigated, and proof will have to be given by Riya Chakravarti about every claim that she makes. She'll have to support it with relevant documentation, not just say it verbally. Meanwhile, while the Enforcement Directorate does its job investigating into the matter, here you have the top court, the Supreme Court, hearing a plea and a fresh affidavit filed by Riya Chakravarti asking for the probe to be moved from Bihar to Mumbai, and that she doesn't really mind a CBI probe, but she wants the Supreme Court to initiate the CBI probe. In fact, before the top court, she's also said that she's in shock post the death of Sushant. She says that she's been harassed, tortured and victimized by the media, by social media, by people at large. Well, it appears that the court as well as the probe agencies are keenly watching every move, every statement and every angle into this case, only to ensure that the truth will finally be out.